Okay, this will be the Flip 5. I'm on one of the best ISPs in the country as far as ping. I'm in the corner of my house and I'm not really close to the router. I think I'm paying for 1 gig, and there's a number of devices and servers running on this. So we're going to try both of these phones a couple times just so we get some sort of an average here. Again, this is the Z Flip. We'll do it 3 times for each phone, I think. Okay, that was the Z Flip 5. I'm going to switch over to the Razr Plus. Same spot. We'll see what we come up with here. Okay, we'll try 2 more. Okay, the Razr's losing some points here for touchscreen. But it certainly seems to have the edge in wireless speed. Same exact part of the house, same position. Okay, so if you'll forgive the ham-fistedness of this video, it appears that the wireless reception on these phones is definitely different.